Hello guys! Hello, how are you? Kumusta na po tayo dyan? And welcome to my story. At saka, story din ng ibang tao. Gaya ko, gaya nyo. And time check, almost 6 o'clock in the evening. It's 5:45. Actually, katatapos lang ng trabaho at 3 o'clock. At yun, dumiretso pa ako sa clinic just to check something. And just want to share with you guys my realization. In the past few years, I have come to realize that financial capability is one of the most important skills a person must develop. Managing responsibilities has taught me that income is not enough. Yes, income is not enough. What truly matters is how we plan, save, invest, and prepare for the future. As part of my 5-year personal target, this is actually my personal target because of my broad realization. Now, I am focusing on strengthening my financial foundation, building savings, learning about investment. But really, to this point, ano pa ako doon? Nasa level pa ako ng pag-aral because I cannot share with you like I am already successful in this area, no. And now I see to it that within 5 years time, that's too long. That's too long, but that is actually my target. Hindi ko kasi pwedeng masabi na within a year, I am already financially stable, financially free kasi I have so many obligations. Marami pa akong mga dapat bayaran. And yun lang po guys. Maraming salamat. Paalam. Bye. Hanggang sa muli.